let's fix this blue screen error in computer. The first solution is we have to delete our computer all temporary files. So press Windows and R, and here the run app will open. Here type %temp% and click on OK, and then you will directly jump into your computer temporary folder. We can see. Now press Ctrl A to select all of them and press Shift Delete and click on Yes, and all of your computer temporary files will be permanently deleted. And then again press Windows R, and this time type here Recent and hit enter, and here you will find all of your recently opened files and folders. So we have to delete everything from here. So press Ctrl A to select all of them and press Shift Delete, and all of your recents will be deleted. And again press Windows R, and this time type here prefetch, prefetch, and now click on Continue. And we have to delete all files and folders from this prefetch folder. So press Ctrl A to select all of them and press Shift Delete. Click on Yes to delete all files and folders from this prefetch folder. And after that, go to your local disk C drive and go to Program Data folder. If you don't see here, then click on View, click on Show, and here make sure to check hidden items. So open the Program Data folder, and here open Microsoft folder, and then scroll down and you have to search for Windows Defender. Open this folder. Now you have to open the Scans folder, and from Scans folder you have to delete everything. After that, close your file explorer, and now after following all of these solutions very carefully, go ahead and simply restart your computer. And after restarting, if you see the error is not solved, then you have to reinstall Windows in your computer, and after reinstalling Windows, definitely the problem will be fixed.